Hello everybody, this is Amir and this presentation is going to assess the automatic feedback. Firstly, I chose my level of proficiency as advanced ESL learner. Then I chose a topic. It was a letter about uh, a project that was going to happen in the center of the city. They would just wanted to change everything into a car-free area, and I had to write a letter to the editor to express my views. Well, so after writing my letter, I could see that my writing had been highlighted by two different colors, uh, light yellow and dark yellow, and I didn't know what it meant, so I had to refer to the feedback interpretation. Then I could see that there are two interpretations here provided. This sentence could maybe be improved. So we see even the grammar of this one is wrong. And the dark yellow means that there are some problems in this sentence. And then they would uh, grade your writing based on some levels. The first one is C2, meaning that you have got mastery or proficiency, and A1, that is the lowest one. It means that you are a beginner. So regarding this feedback interpretation, we go back to what I received here. So there are a few lines at the top of the writing and a few lines at the bottom that can be changed, but the dark yellow one should necessarily be changed. So let me read what the dark one is. This will bring more safety for pedestrian and bicyclists and can even make the businessmen happy. And then there were some other feedback like wrong word. So possibly from should be changed to by. I changed that, but I couldn't see anything happen there. Um, so even this one is dark yellow, and in later slides you see that I changed that for the better. So there were two parts in my writing that were highlighted by dark yellow. At the top, I decided to substitute another sentence with a fancy grammar, as you see here. And then let's see what happened. During these changes, my score got worse toward B2. So you see I have tried to change things several times, but my score is getting worse and worse. So the feedback was not that much helpful to me. I didn't know what should be corrected. Just a simple highlight and then the wrong word. Well, they are not feedback. And it is one of the weak points of automatic feedback, I believe. And then again, I tried to uh, improve that. As you see, I changed this sentence. This decision can keep the pedestrian and bicyclist safer and keep the businessman happier. Speaking honestly, I consulted with a native speaker, one of my colleagues, and she told me that I can change the sentence into this one, but I got worse. My grade got worse. It's very disappointing. I believe that automatic feedback is based on some fixed rules and they are not flexible. They cannot get tailored to the needs of the learners. And that's the reason that they are not accurate. I mean, they are based on some algorithm. They are based on whatever that uh, computer is fed. So they cannot decide wisely. And then, oh, you see here, I was not disappointed. I tried to change everything. I succeeded to change the color from dark into yellow one. It means that it seems to be a good one. Okay. Well, but the feedback says something else. I got something below B2. So it's really funny. I don't know what's going on. Then again, suspicious word. What does it mean? Is this the correct word? I don't know what it means. Suspicious words. I wonder if native speakers also receive the same feedback. I am confused. I am puzzled. Well, and then another one. Actually, the last two slides are for another writing, but see again, you see some feedbacks like this. So I believe that automatic feedback is not accurate. It is not flexible. Uh, they cannot be precise. They are not that much communicative, and learners cannot get much from them.